Hey, ladies and gentlemen, you got your girl Sabrina right here, and I am your prosperity coach. Listen, do not pay debt collectors, guys, all right? Do you have debt collectors calling your phone, harassing you? Do you have debt collectors, sending you letters in the mail? They even may change the letter of the paper. You may get like a white paper, then a green paper, then even a red paper demanding that you pay, or they're going to send you to court, right? I used to get those same exact letters, and it used to scare me to freaking death, guys, all right? To the fact that I may even call them and may just send them something, right? Maybe send them $1 or $50 or $100 just so they wouldn't call me, right? But let me tell you something. That is a no. Do not do that. That is a wrong mistake, all right? Do not pay debt collectors. For one, they buy your debt from the original creditor. And see, after 180 days, your original creditor has now written off your debt. That's why if you don't pay 180 consecutive days, they will close the account, right? They close the account and they write it off on their taxes. Yes, they do. They write it off on their taxes, all right? And so once they write it off on their taxes, they sell it to debt collectors, and debt collectors buy it because guess what? They got these scare tactics that normally scare, vulnerable people who can't pay their bills, and so they get paid on it. So not only do the company write it off and they get it back because they also have insurance, right? They have things called insurance on their money. So if you don't pay your bill, they're able to call their insurance company and tell their insurance company and ask for for a refund, basically, because their money is insured. And so they get paid either write off or insure it, but then they sell it. So the creditor gets paid, then they sell it and they get paid again from the debt collector. And the debt collector hopes that you pay it so then they get paid. Right? It's a great business module, but if I were you, I would not pay it. All right. And so if you pay it, let me tell you something. If you send them $1, then the statute of limitations, they start over, right? So it will start over from the exact day that you paid that $1. So that's why I'm telling you now, do not pay that debt collector, because you can now dispute it, right, and get it removed, because that debt collector does not have your papers with the signature on it. They do not have your birth certificate or your social security card or your driver license. And so if they don't have those things, then guess what? Then that debt cannot be validated. And if that debt cannot be validated, then that goes against the Fair Credit Report reporting agency, right? So the Fair Credit Report the Fair Credit Report Agency requires them to be able to verify who you are. So they got to have some type of validation that you are who they say you are and that it is your debt. And so for them to buy that debt from the actual creditor, I can promise you it will cost them 10 times on what they paid for maybe your debt, right? Because they buy it in a portfolio. So they buy not just only your debt, but a bunch of people's debt for pennies on a dollar, right? And so if they wanted all those personal information from you, then they would have to kind of dig it up from the creditor, which they don't want to do. So they buy it for pennies on a dollar and they hope and pray that you get scared and pay them, all right? So don't pay them. You need to get with me. Click the link in the bottom of this video, right? Click the link at the bottom of this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and so I want you to join me so I can show you how to fix your credit yourself. All right, I have a DIY system, a do it yourself system that teaches you how to fix your credit on your own. All right, I used a service called Lexington Law Firm before, and all they did was tag me along. And so I found it a way that you can spend less than $20 to join and then less than $35 per month to learn how to fix your own credit, guys. So I believe in education. I believe that the reason why your credit is the way that it is because you haven't figured out how to fix it yet, and you're paying thousands of dollars to people who say, like these credit specialists and all these other people who swear they can fix your credit, but they can't. All they can do is dispute your payment history. And let's be real, Credit is way more than credit history, guys. So I want to teach you the whole entire credit score, but you got to click the link under this bio, guys, all right? And so subscribe to this YouTube channel so I can share with you more tips and ways to fix your own credit, all right? So I have a motto, and that motto is, you deserve to win. Click the link below. Bye-bye now.